Hello friends, I'm Don. The goal of this channel is to provide practical lessons from our real estate investments. And today, we're talking about boilers. For those that might not know, boilers are how a lot of apartment buildings are heated. And most, if not all, use gas since it's cheaper than electricity. This is a basic diagram of how a boiler heating system works. In this example, building 1 and building 2 are identical. 10,000 square foot, same roof, insulation, everything but the boilers. Building 1's boiler is from 2020 and had an energy cost of $590. Building 2's boiler is from 1972 and had an energy cost of $1,197. That's a $607 difference for 1 month, more than double the costs. Last year, we replaced a boiler in a similar size building, and the total cost was $12,750. When deciding whether to replace the old boiler in Building 2, I start with calculating the payback period. And in this case, it's 6 years, which I view anything that's less than 7 as excellent. Another consideration is remaining usable life. For a 54-year-old device, it would be 0. Replacing mechanicals also increases the value of the property and reduces the likely cost of repairs. Look, boilers break when they're working the hardest, which is also when they're needed the most, the coldest days of winter. Replacing an old boiler isn't sexy, but it increases the value of my property, lowers my operating costs, and gives me peace of mind. Thanks for watching. I hope that you're working on some great deals and your current properties are making lots of money.